Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from Nadula hair. Here is what the packaging looks like. Alright, so when you open it up, here is the wig, and inside you have your wig cap and your elastic hairband. Onto the wig. So this wig is a 7x5 Baba Knots lace wig, and it is Brazilian hair, and it's 20 inches. And this is looking like it's kinky curly, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, and it's a curly edge. So the lace is cut and the hairline is pre-plucked. They also give you the curly edges, so this is a curly edge wig. So let's see the inside. The inside looks like this. They give you a thick strap in here. I'm a fan of the thicker straps. I don't really like the new construction with the thinner straps. I prefer the thicker ones. It does have a comb in the back. It also comes with the adjustable straps right here and the grippy piece to fit on your head more secure. And let's not forget the drawstring, because this drawstring comes in handy, y'all, especially if you want to wear this wig glueless. So this is what she looks like fresh out the packaging, which, I mean, you can wear her like this, or if you want to have the curls more defined, you can go in and define the curls. Now the lace does look a little light. I am going to wear this glueless, and I'm also going to tighten up the strap so I can wear this glueless. But this is what the hairline looks like, and that's what it looks like. This wig is pretty cute. What's wrong? What's wrong? Why? Yeah. Did you fall up the steps? You did? Look. Y'all, I love this. These are my end results. I definitely love it bigger. At first, I didn't really pluck out the curls too much, but this is what it looks like fully dry and the curls plucked all the way out, and I love them so much. That's really cute. It really looks natural. I do have the kinky edges out, not too much though, because they are, I didn't want it to look too fake. Like too much looks too fake, but you know,